Hello again, everyone. I'm Mark J. Weather on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Overnight lows tonight, mild, muggy. Good news is we're staying dry, so do some stargazing in 70s and 60s by sunrise. It's going to be hot and muggy for your day ahead on Labor Day. 90 degrees, very warm, very humid. 1 or 2 isolated storms during the heat of the afternoon, as you can see, for the air show, for your county fairs, for just your outdoor picnic. Just find a shady spot if you can. Stay hydrated. Wear the sunscreen, too. Tonight, 67 for Akron, 89. Partly sunny with an isolated storm. 7-day. Look at this. Monday, 90. Tuesday, 90. Wednesday, 90 with a few storms. Thursday, cooling down a bit. 79, a few thunderstorms. Isolated thunder Friday, Saturday, and again Sunday with a little cooler and less humid air moving in. Lower 80s for your weekend.